Even while you are sleeping soundly at night, your body may be gradually losing muscle without your knowledge. This may be happening without you even being aware of it. This seems to be unjust, doesn't it? But that is precisely what occurs to millions of people who are above the age of 60. Sarcopenia is the word given to this process of gradual loss of muscular mass. It is the fact that it does not appear all at once that is the most terrifying aspect. You are deprived of your power, your vitality, and even your independence night after night while it stealthily operates in the background. But here's the good news. There is one strong meal that, when consumed at the appropriate moment, has the potential to flip the tables and convert your sleep into a genuine midnight gym for your body. It is possible that your muscles are really renewing themselves, becoming stronger, and becoming more robust when you are resting. As you continue watching this video, you are going to learn how consuming protein during the night may be the key to preventing your body from becoming weak and turning each night of sleep into a chance for renewed energy. At this point, I would like to hear from you before we proceed. Can you recall a time when you felt as though you were losing strength as the years passed? If this is the case, please share your experience by writing the number 1 in the comments section. Additionally, if you find this subject to be important, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel that focuses on healthy lifestyles, and share this video with someone who is also in need of this knowledge. I also want to make sure that you remain with me until the very finish. Get ready, because what you are about to hear has the potential to dramatically alter the way you think about the process of aging and the health of your muscles. Number 1. What is sarcopenia, and why does it get more severe beyond the age of 60? The term sarcopenia may have a convoluted sound to it, but the reality of the condition is straightforward and at the same time alarming. It is a term that describes the gradual decrease in muscle mass that occurs as a natural consequence of aging. The human body is an astonishing mechanism. Nevertheless, as time passes, it undergoes alterations in the manner in which it creates and maintains muscle. When we are young, our bodies have a powerful capacity to absorb protein, convert nutrients into strength, and renew muscle fibers. This capacity is robust. On the other hand, as one reaches the age of 60, this technique becomes less effective. It is as if the body begins to function in a sluggish manner. Even if a person continues to consume the same meals as they did in the past, absorption will no longer be the same. The consequence will be obvious: less muscle and greater frailty. It is also important to note that sarcopenia does not manifest itself all of a sudden. It is imperceptible and forward-thinking. The majority of the time, elderly citizens only become aware of it when they experience little changes in their day-to-day activities, such as the difficulty of ascending stairs, the increased effort required to rise up from a chair, or the sensation of carrying shopping bags that are too heavy. All of these symptoms indicate that the muscles are no longer behaving in the same way that they used to. Sarcopenia is a condition that affects more than simply strength, which is something that a lot of people are unaware of. Balance, posture, and even bone health are all connections that may be made to it. An increase in the risk of falling, fractures, and even loss of independence is associated with a decrease in muscle mass. To put it another way, it is not just about how strong you feel or how you look. It is also about the quality of your life and how long you live. Therefore, it is essential to have a solid grasp of sarcopenia. The key is not to accept that the loss of muscle is a natural part of aging. Rather, it is to acquire the skills necessary to fight back against it. In addition, the good news is that there are methods that may be utilized to slow down or even reverse this process. One of the most successful strategies is directly related to the food that you consume in the hours leading up to going to bed, and here is where we will focus our attention in the next sections. To begin, however, I would want to hear from you. Can you identify any of these alterations that have taken place in your own body? Is it possible that you are experiencing greater weariness in your day-to-day life, feeling weaker, or having difficulty climbing stairs? If that is the case, please let me know in the comments that you are following along by writing the number 2. Number 2, nighttime, the period of strategic importance, and the protein that absolutely no one discusses. Now that you have a better understanding of what sarcopenia is and how it worsens after the age of 60, the most important issue is at what point in time should you begin to nourish your muscles? When you are sleeping at night, the answer can come as a surprise to you. The process of mending occurs in your body when you are sleeping. In addition to restoring tissues, it also helps to boost the immune system and regulate hormones. Nevertheless, when we go for long periods of time without eating, a potentially dangerous thing takes place. The body may begin to use its own muscle mass as a source of potential energy. It is precisely at this point when sarcopenia begins to gradually build strength. Before going to bed, it is essential to provide your body with the appropriate amount of protein. Egg white protein is a surprise that only a small percentage of people are aware of. However, virtually no one discusses egg white protein, despite the fact that it is a great gem for anybody over the age of 60. Whey protein and even casein are well known. Why is it the case? Owing to the fact that it has a modest digestion rate, which means that amino acids are constantly produced throughout the night for a several-hour period. Casein is slower than it is, although it is not as sluggish as whey. While you are resting, your muscles will be fed thanks to this ideal balance. In addition to this, the protein found in egg whites is abundant in leucine, which is an important amino acid that initiates the process of muscle growth in the body. Rebuild, strengthen, and maintain is the message that is being sent so clearly. Egg white is a natural, light, and easily accessible ingredient. This is the greatest part. You may consume it in its uncomplicated form, which is boiled as part of your meal, or you can use the powdered version, which is simple to combine with water or fruit in order to make a shake for the evening. I am now interested in hearing from you. Have you ever heard of the protein found in egg whites being utilized in this manner? If you answered yes, please put 3 in the comments section. If you answered no, please write "never heard of it" so that I can tell how many people are now learning about this secret. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Health and Vigor, and share it with someone who might benefit from the knowledge that is presented here. In addition, if you find that this information is beneficial to you, anybody who would like to show their support for us can do so by clicking the Super Thanks button that is located below. It is a wonderful way to assist us in continuing to provide you with advice on health and longevity. Number 3, how to put protein consumption at night into practice. Now that you are aware that the protein found in egg whites may be an effective ally in the fight against sarcopenia, the most important issue is, how can you include this protein into your bedtime routine in a way that is both straightforward and practical? The first thing you need to realize is that you do not require something that is prohibitively expensive or too difficult. Most of the time, the solutions that are the easiest to implement are the ones that produce the best outcomes. The egg that has been cooked in water is a classic example. Even if you only consume 2 egg whites before going to bed or during supper, you may already offer your muscles with a continual flow of amino acids that protect them throughout the night. Egg white protein powder is yet another choice that is both practical and suitable. One may easily combine this product with a glass of water, plant-based milk, or even natural juice. It is available in a wide variety of supplement stores. When you consume it before going to bed, it won't make your stomach feel heavy because it is lactose-free and light. Those individuals who do not enjoy consuming an excessive amount of food at night will find this to be an ideal option. In addition, here is a noteworthy piece of advice. You do not have to go overboard with the quantity. Although there are a lot of individuals who feel that the only thing that makes a difference is consuming a lot of protein, the truth is that consistency is what really matters. Incorporating this protein into your diet on a nightly basis in modest amounts might have a far more significant influence than eating a lot on one day and then skipping meals the following day. Additionally, egg whites are a great complement to other nutritious foods that are simple to digest, such as salads, light soups, and cooked vegetables. In light of this, it is not necessary for you to fully alter your dietary routine. Rather, you need only make minor adjustments in order to reap significant benefits. It is important to keep in mind that the objective is not only to prevent the loss of muscle mass, but also to ensure that you wake up with increased energy, power, and vitality, which will allow you to carry out your daily activities. It is comparable to making a quiet investment that yields apparent dividends in your life if you take care of your body when you are sleeping. I am now interested in hearing your thoughts on the following question. Do you often consume something light before going to bed? Or do you prefer to go to sleep without eating anything? If you never eat anything before going to bed, write "I don't eat anything" in the comments section. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle, and share it with others so that more people may learn about this insider information. If you would want to show your support for us even further, you can do so by clicking the Super Thanks button that is located below and leaving a contribution. I'll see you in the next video, so make sure you keep your strength and your health.